Hello guys, and this is Senada Osprey. I'll show you how to change the settings for wheel diameter, speed, and some other function you can change, which I will not go over it, but you can see, and I don't recommend to change them. So first I'll show you how to use this bicycle. So you just turn it on by pressing this middle power on. It will turn on, you'll see display will be on. In a few seconds it's on now. To turn the light on, you just press once and the light will be on, press once it will be off. This is information line which will move underneath over here: trip, odometer, maximum trip, and average trip. You'll see over here this small underline will move around. And this one is walk assist. If you press and hold it for a few seconds like this, it will activate it and it will go about up to 6 miles, but usually it's about 3 or 4 miles once you're going uphill, because this one is designed for uphill or when you are in sand, to assist you to walk. To change the pedal assist, right now it's on pedal assist level 1. You can press plus sign, it will go to upper pedal assist level, so it will go faster. If you want, you can press a minus, it will go to 1, and if you press 0, there will be no power, even the throttle will not work. So if you want just to pedal with no power, you can change to 0 and the bike will be just traditional bike. So let's start with how to get into the settings when you need to change, because my bike came with 29-inch diameter in the settings. Very easy to change. You press plus and minus, hold it, and you will see SP, so it's asking for password. To change the password, it's very simple, as long as you know the password. My password was 1, then you press, to move this to the next number, you need to press the I, so information. It will change to information, the second one, so you press twice, it will go to 2, so mine was like 12, and then you press I again and press 1, and then you press I again and press twice plus, so it will be 12, and then you press I again, and you get in the settings right now. 01P1, it's I believe the brightness, so you just press the I and it will drop over here, and yeah, this is the brightness of the display, and you can adjust it. Right now it's on 3 level, so it's the brightest one, and once you set it up, you just press one more time I, it will go back to blinking on the P programming. So now you want to switch, so press plus sign, so it will move through different stages. So it's a 02P, it's changing from miles to kilometers or kilometers to miles, so you do the same way if you want to, but mine was set up to miles right now. If you need to change to kilometers, you basically press the I again. This underneath will blink like the miles, and you just press plus sign, you'll see kilometers. If you want to go back to miles, you press minus, go to miles, you will see miles right over here. And then to leave this option, so you just press I again, you'll go to programming. So once programming blinks, so it means you're in programming mode, and you just switch to next stage. This one is a voltage, you don't touch it, so you're going up to the 6, so 06P, it's a programming level 6, which is for diameter of the wheel. You will see over here, it's supposed to be right now, I figured it's supposed to be 23 inches, and you switch by the same way, you press I, it will start to blink, and then you move either minus or plus, depending on what settings you have before. Mine was like 29 inches, which gave you wrong information. And then once you set it up, you press I again and move to the next. I'm not sure, 07, I don't remember, but you don't touch it, I guess. You just move forward. So 08, it's about speed settings. If you want to low down the speed, not to make it fast, like class number 2, so you set it up like 20 miles over here, so it will go up to 20 miles. Right now my settings is 62 miles, so it's a top And to change the settings, you just press I and go up the plus sign. So mine is like up to the top, or you can even leave 50. It will be still the same. The bicycle cannot go more than 30 miles an hour anyways. And then once you set it up everything, you just press power button to leave the settings and turn it on again, and your bicycle is set and ready to ride. So as you'll see, this moving part, once you start to ride, that's normal, like a road. And that's a speed supposed to be once you make the changes. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like it. And I'll see you in the next video.